In this tutorial, we're going to look at how we can make a car seem as if it's speeding along a road. And we're going to use an effect called the Ken Burns effect to do that. Now what I've done is I've put two pictures in here, one of a background and one of a car. So now what I want to do is create a new movie. So we're going to click on New Movie. And we're going to go for No Theme. And let's call this Ken Burns effect. And then click OK. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in our background. So we're going to drag our background into the frame, and let's make this a little bit longer. So let's make it 7 seconds. All right, so now at the moment you can see the Ken Burns effect is actually happening, but it's zooming in and out. Now we don't want that. We want it to go from left to right or right to left. So let's have a look. So let's click on our cropping on here, and then we've got the Ken Burns effect here. So we've got the start and the end here. So the end at the moment is the big one, the start is the small one. So we want to start it over here on the road here, okay? And then we're going to end it, and we need to make it the same size, okay? We're going to end it there, okay? So now we can press return. And now what we need to do, we need to get our car on the road. So let's drag our car, select it and drag our car onto the road and then drag it out. Now you can already see here that it's actually moving, but it's actually moving in the wrong direction. But what we want to do first of all is actually change the size of this. Well, you can see here at the moment the car has been chopped off, so we need to get the whole car in there. So let's go to crop, fit on this, and there we've got our full car in there. So now what we can do is we can click on the overlay and we can click picture in picture. Now there's our car. Now we want it to be a fair size because we're zoomed out on here. So let's make that a fair size. Okay, like this, maybe just slightly bigger. Okay, and now what we can do is go back to the beginning and let's watch the car. Okay, we've got a small problem here. It's actually looking as if it's going in reverse. So let's change that. So what we need to do is click on the background here, go back to our crop, and let's move these around. So the start is over here, and the end needs to be over here. So it's going in that direction. Now the start needs to be slightly bigger. I just noticed it's a little bit out. And now what we can do is we can now watch it. There we go, we've got our car moving along the road at a relatively slow speed, and that's using the Ken Burns effect.